to my channel. So I feel like it has been a very long time since I've done a styling video, and I honestly really miss it. I have a lot of fun doing these. And I recently made this shirt that I'm wearing right now. There's a tutorial if you want to make it too. And I really like it, and I feel like it has so much potential. I just don't really know how to like style it yet. I feel like one of the reasons why this shirt is so interesting to style to me is because it is a Revere collar. It's not just a regular straight one. So there's like different layering aspects to it, and also this silky material is something I'm not super used to. So I grabbed a bunch of things from my closet, and I'm just gonna have fun and see what works and see what doesn't, and see how we can layer it and work with it and make it more unique. Because I feel like right now it's just a little bit plain like this. Like I still feel cute, you know, but I feel like there's some untapped potential here. So this styling video is going to be a little bit more informal instead of like being like, ooh, wow, yes, look at this outfit. I'm going to kind of do it with you guys. And honestly, some of these might be really bad, and I apologize ahead of time, but I'm just going to do my best and see what works and what doesn't, and hopefully you guys will have fun kind of putting these outfits together with me. So obviously this is the first outfit, and I think it's really cute. Like I feel good in it. I just feel like there's more here than this, you know? Like she has a bigger journey than this. But it does make for super cute like tie-up tops. Like again, I think this is a really cute outfit. I just think we can do better. So I think I'm going to start with maybe this dress, because one of my favorite ways to layer anything is with dresses, because if you guys haven't noticed, I'm not a big winter fashion person, but layering summer dresses, I love it a lot. So I think I want to use this dress as kind of like a skirt, and I'm thinking if we tie this up around it, it might be really cute. Also, I realized that like I haven't decided these outfits out yet, and like my mirror is literally blocked by this thing, so like I literally can't tell you guys if these are cute yet or not. Okay, yeah, no, wait, this is really cute. I actually really love this combo. And this dress is one I made a few years back, and I honestly don't wear it enough. I've never really layered it as a skirt, and I'm kind of obsessed. And obviously the white trim of the whole shirt goes super well with the skirt. Why is this gonna be my new favorite outfit for spring, you guys? Alright, what should we tackle next? I don't want to do like all my dresses and like all my shorts, because I feel like that might get a little bit boring. So I think that we should just go right into another one, and I'm going to pick these shorts. So because the top is already kind of vintage inspired, I was thinking maybe these shorts would be really cute with it. So these are like a seersucker pinstripe short. Okay, yeah, I'm already high-key vibing with this. This almost feels like a vintage like pajama set, but like I'm not really mad about it. I think it's really cute. And these shorts are also a pair that I made a long time ago. And they of course have my very deep pockets that I love so much. And honestly, I think these shorts are really cute, and I just don't wear them enough. And also, I don't know if this is like an actual thing, but I feel like I saw a Pinterest hack like a while ago, where it's like you take your shirt and you put it through like one of your pant loops, then you put the other one through it for like a little like side tucked action. Is this a thing? I'm not sure why you would do this, but yeah, I guess it works. I guess it does make a very nice like little like bow here though. I don't think that's for me. Okay, now I have to try this tucked in though. Like I'm not mad about this one, it's just not as cute as I was expecting it to be. Like I thought I would like it more than I do. It was honestly like really cute tied up, so maybe I just had my expectations like way too high from that one. Okay, this one's kind of cheating because this is literally the outfit I wore like for this shirt. But it's really cute. I just feel good in this outfit. Pleated skirts are just the absolute cutest, so you can't really go wrong. I feel like this shirt especially though would go so good with a white pleated skirt, but unfortunately I have not made one yet. I really should. I should just get around to it. Okay, I have to be honest, I have no idea if the next outfit is going to work or is going to look crazy, but like I've been thinking about this one and I just like have to try it, so we'll see. Okay, I'm not as mad about this as I maybe should be, but I kind of like it. I don't know. I've been like specifically thinking about layering this vest underneath the shirt, but I wasn't totally sure which pants to put it with. But when I put it with these jeans, it honestly reminded me of like a photo I saved on Pinterest a long time ago. And I kind of like it. It's kind of cute. You guys should let me know if it's like terrible. Like, I think it's kind of a vibe. As you guys probably know, overalls are like my favorite thing in the entire world, and they're very hard to screw up, so of course I love this outfit. I think it's kind of cute too how the collar kind of goes over the straps a little bit, and I feel like because these overalls are a black corduroy, I feel like they're a little bit more sleek than like a denim overall, and I feel like it just works really nicely with this shirt. And the shirt also has like some black patterning in it, so it just works really well together. And I'm sorry I do not have an overall tutorial yet. I know you guys have been wanting it for a while, so I should really look into doing it. So one of my favorite ways to wear like collared shirts is obviously underneath sweaters, which is a super big trend right now. But because of the Revere collar, I don't know how well that's going to work because it's not like, it doesn't come to a nice sharp point, it's just very gradual. But I am curious to try it. So this collar is obviously not meant to lay like this, but I think with enough like zhuzhing, it is possible to wear it underneath the shirt. And the collar is obviously like super baby like this, but I do think it's kind of cute. So I paired it with my pink pants, obviously, and then I did tuck it in because it was kind of hanging out and it didn't really work in my opinion. And this pink and blue combo is already something I wear quite a bit, so I think adding just a little bit of like color underneath it, it does make it like a little bit more interesting and not just like a plain sweater. And you know what, because it has such a little baby bit of orange in it, I wonder if it would work well with my orange pants now. Because I was like, it might be a really cool combo, but I think it would just be like too much orange on its own. Yeah, I think this is pretty cute. This is really, really comfortable. I love these pants. They're like a flannel, but they have these little pleats up top. I think I made them a year ago. And with this just kind of like sitting at my waist like this, it's really like a casual silhouette, but I do think it's really cute with the collar underneath it. I am pleasantly surprised by this. And yeah, on its own, it is obviously just like too much orange going on, but with the blue over it, I do think it really works well. So I'm thinking we should maybe go back into the dress department, and I really want to try it underneath this yellow bodycon dress. I think it'll either be really cute or a total disaster. Okay, yeah, I don't really think this one was the move for me. Yeah, I'm just not the biggest fan of like the way that this goes down into the neckline. Usually I really love like anything under a dress, but I don't think this one's the vibe for me. And that is okay. I do think though this might be really, really cute with it on top of it though. Okay, yeah, I think this is a lot cuter. So this time I did not button it all the way up and like make it look like a shirt. I'm wearing it more as like a little like over thing. And I think this one is really cute actually. Like I'd wear this out. Little like evening thing, you just need like something to go on top of it for a little like warmth or like something else, some other reason to wear a shirt over your dress. Going back into a more casual zone, this is probably the way I'm going to be wearing this shirt most of the summer. I think it's really, really cute with the black shorts because like I said, it has some black patterning in it, and tucked in is just always like a really good comfort zone for me. Not much to this outfit, but it's just a good staple. Yeah, I'm already obsessed. I think this is so cool. I love the silhouette of this shirt with the suspenders, and I love this silky fabric with this more like structured one. And I think they just go really, really well together. I really like it. And I think the shirt's kind of fun because it feels like both kind of fancy because it's like a button up, but really casual just because of the sit of it. And I feel like the way that these pants work with that is it's just good. I like it a lot. These pants are also a pair that I made a few years ago. They're pretty old. And these are by far my fanciest pants that I have. So I always feel like a businesswoman when I wear them, but like that's not really a bad thing. And these suspenders are also removable, but if I have the option to wear suspenders or not wear suspenders, I'm going to wear suspenders. And this might be pushing it a little bit too far, but I think I have to try it. Okay, yeah. Now I look like I'm going to a meeting. This is too much for me. But I can still hold it over my shoulder. And then it's really cute. Now I think it's time to try it with the pinafore. So this pinafore is one of my most recent videos. It's a thrift flip, and this dress used to be my little brother's shirt that he grew out of, and now it is not. And I think it looks very cute. I actually really, really like the button down with this dress because of like the deep V that it has. You see like the little buttons. And I think it's a really, really cute silhouette. And I do like the color combo of like this orangey yellow with this blue because we love contrasting colors. So I thought I'd finish this video off by going full retro with the turtleneck and the bell bottoms. Honestly, I'm kind of surprised I haven't put this outfit together yet because I wear this turtleneck and these pants like all the time. So putting it all together just kind of makes sense to me. And also I've been wanting to just wear this shirt lately, but it's been pretty cold, so wearing it underneath the turtleneck is actually a great way to wear this, so I don't know why I haven't done this until now. And I love all these colors together. This is like honestly one of my favorite color combinations ever. It's like yellow, pink, and white. I think it's so cute. So this is just a really good outfit to me, and I feel really good in it, so that's the most important thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. I had a lot of fun, and I did actually find some pretty cool outfits that I've never worn before. So I hope it maybe inspired you guys to do this with one of your own articles of clothing that you're not totally sure how to wear yet, or just gave you some fun outfit inspiration. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!